Hi friends, this is GK NAIDU. I am a trainer of Servicenow and I have the 4 years of industry experience in Servicenow tool. Okay, so before going to learn the Servicenow, so let me know the total overview of Servicenow. So why? Because how much of strength it is and how long will we survive in our IT industry? Those all the things will we know when we are covering with this Servicenow overview. Okay, so first let me see that what is Servicenow. So Servicenow means simply to say that it is a cloud-based tool and which is mainly to automate the common business process. So that means now all the applications are going to be automation and all the industries are also going to be automation. So what is automation? Automation means we shouldn't put the more effort for manual work. So directly to transfer that state, okay, whatever the life cycle is there, for example, so that life cycle is smoothly going by the help of our automation things. So those things will also done at the Servicenow background. Okay, Servicenow things are okay. Servicenow by the help of the Servicenow tool also. So that is the automation is also done by the for our common business process. Actually, it was founded by the Fred Luddy. Okay, it's a American based product. It's a American based product. So now let me know the why we choose the Servicenow only. So why? Because it's have more benefits. So what are the benefits are there? Just have a look. So easy upgradation. So that means updating. So the Servicenow will always updating itself. Why? Because it's almost twice in a year they will update. So why? Because let they added some new features for fulfill the client requirements. So that is the good advantage is there in Servicenow. And SaaS and PaaS features are there. So that means SaaS means software as a service. So that means you need not to install any software for learning the Servicenow. So that is the good advantage is there. And PaaS feature is there. PaaS means platform as a service. So that means no need to maintain any system requirements and no need to maintain any um, Windows operating systems and no need to maintain any middlewares. Okay, so no need to maintain any storage devices. So directly to work on the Servicenow with the help of, okay, just you have the browser na? So then simply to open and make the work in our Servicenow. Next one is the customization possibilities. So that means whatever the client will be provide, okay, whatever the client requirement is there, those all are mostly fulfilled by the Servicenow tool. So that is the customization possibilities. And now the another important thing is the data confidentiality. So it is very important due to the usage of our MNC companies. Why? Because when the when the that particular tool is having the good safety and anti-firewall things, then only able to purchase the item. Why? Because they would also post some data, okay, in their software. So that's why let they check is it having a good antivirus, so antivirus related firewall related things or not. Let they check. So it is having the good safety and security related things. So that's why now the Servicenow are using 25,000 companies in a worldwide. 25,000. So that's why it will provided the lack of jobs in their Servicenow. Okay, so that is the that is the main advantage is there. And another one is the more integration things. Integration means let we communicated the one application to another application. Okay, easily to connected with the one application to another application. That means not only connected with the Servicenow, it is also connected with the okay, other tools. So that is the Salesforce point of view, Jira point of view, Remedy, BMC Remedy. So some of the tools are there. So those tools are also easily connected. And another one is the hosted in the cloud. So that means whatever the work you have done, so those all the things will be stored in our only database, not a personal PC. So that is the good advantage is there. And now operational tracking activity. So that means if you would stuck at anywhere in our work, okay, in our in your work, so then those things easily to track by your team manager and team leads. So that is help you is that work is genuine, okay, whatever. Okay. So now the next one is the IT service management. Okay, are you there, Lahari? Okay, fine. So IT service management means our IT organizations. So mostly, okay, depending on the our service management also. Why? Because our IT, especially the IT organizations, will pay the more wages to the okay, more wages to the employees. So that's why, is there any employee is stuck or stuck at anything, so then simply to resolve those things. So that means is their laptop is not working properly, or is their applications are not working properly. So whatever the things are there, okay, so then easily to sort out by the help of that service management. So that is very important. Why? Because most of the payment, okay, more wages are there. So that's why they would definitely do the service within the less time. And another one is the reporting feature is also there. That means if you are having the statistical information, so some data, so then simply to create the reports by okay, so that feature is also available in our service now. So these are the main, okay, benefits are there in our service now. Now going to see that type of work. So that means after finishing of the course, okay, if you will grab the job, so then what type of projects generally you will handle. So there are two types of projects generally you would handle that. Those are the support based project, and another one is the development based project. So support based means what are the functionalities let we do. So those are the administration activities. Okay, so that administration activities means user administration things, incident resolution process, SLA monitoring, and report generations, ACL creations, approval access, and some of the out of box functionalities. So these are the functionalities coming under the administration. And sometimes if you have the development based project, so then what type of, okay, what are the okay, what are the functions generally do. So those are the then you will become as a form builder. So then you will create the applications from scratch level, and while creating the applications you should also create the some policies, some client scripts, some business rules, some flow designer and workflows for the automation things. Okay, so these all are do in our development activities, developer activities. So these are the generally let we deal the these two type of projects. Okay, and ITSM. So ITSM, applications of the service. So just what is ITSM means, simply to say that it is an end-to-end IT services delivered to the customer for the good service practices. So end-to-end IT services delivered here in our service management. ITSM means information technology service management. Okay, so those are the things generally do that. And another way is simply to say that it is a strategic approach to design, develop and deliver the services to the customer. So those are the ITSM is there. And whatever the applications let we cover in our ITSM. So those are the incident management, problem management, change management, request management, catalog preparations, workflows or flow designers, and knowledge management, contract management, agile development applications, out-of-box functionalities, reports, dashboards, service level management, and some of the Glide APIs. So actually the ServiceNow is consisting of the two parts. Those are the administration and development. So administration, these all are almost coming to the administration, and the last one is there, so Glide APIs. So that Glide APIs and OOB, these functionalities are generally been in our development portion. Okay, so little bit of coding is there, less coding. So everyone can learn the service now, and everyone is fit for learning the service now. Why? Because less coding, very less coding is there. Then coming to the versions of service now, so just let you observe this one.